Hi, I'm Salwan, and this is a video for introducing my own Material U project. I'm going to tell you that why I started this project, what techniques that I used, and what I've learned from this during the project. So, let's get started. Last May, I watched the video of Google I/O 21. There were lots of brand new techniques that Google introduced, but there was a project that completely blew my mind. It was Project Material U. It was about the design theme in Android system, which provides personal color palette from the user's background image. That was really cool because it was like my mobile display literally wear that image and change it to unique theme that only exists. So I decided to implement that Material U as my own version. So what is the key idea? All screen-on-device has its own design system. It includes colors, shapes, brightness, and texture, and many things, but in this project, I'm going to apply only colors from it. With a method, we can make our custom material design corresponding with your custom image. Now we have to cracking those things to implement on my product. We need two key points. The first one is color extraction. We have to extract the colors from image to apply those colors to our components. And the second one is the custom material design. With the color palette that extracted previous step, we have to make our own material theme. Let's take a look at the techniques that I used step by step. The color extraction. As you can see this image, we had to get the dominant colors from the image. But it was not that easy to get the dominant. The word dominant was quite abstract to me. The method that I tried first was to get the RGB colors from pixel data and sorting the colors by its count. And most of the time, the colors that RGB values are almost same or appeared a lot. I needed something better way than that. To solve this problem, I found the algorithm which name is K-means clustering. K-means clustering is a simple unsupervised algorithm that is used to solve clustering problems. It follows a simple procedure of classifying a given data set into a number of clusters, defined by the letter K, which is fixed beforehand. I could apply this algorithm into my project. The RGB value of all pixels can be represented with a single point in three-dimensional space like the image on the right. And the number of cluster K is given. It is equal to the number of dominant colors that we want to get. So after processing all pixel points to cluster, we can get the dominant, which is represented colors from image. Now we know how to get the dominant colors from image, but how we can apply those colors into design theme. I've studied the principle of material design a bit, and I decided to use 4 colors on my product. Before I apply those colors, I have to sort the colors by its brightness. The brightness, which is called by HSP value as well, can be calculated by formula below. After I sort the colors by its brightness, I can set those each colors with background, secondary, primary, and the font. We have 2 modes of color theme, which is the light mode and dark mode. In the light mode, the background will be the most bright color in those 4, and the font will be the darkest. In the dark mode, I set the colors vice versa. To apply those colors on my website, I have to destruct my page into the containers. Area 1 is a header, and the second is a background. And the third will be the main font, and the fourth would be the accent text color, which will be applied to primary color. So I set header and accent text as primary color, and area second as background, and main text will be the font color. Now we know how to implement our core problems. These images are the expected results after we implement our functions. We have two modes like light mode and the dark mode. If we put the images on it, it generates dominant colors and apply those colors into our website. Looks nice, isn't it? So, let's go to our website and how it works. So this is my personal website that I implemented in my Material You project. So in the drop zone, I'm going to drop the image to apply its own design theme. Here you go. My background and font colors smoothly changed, and I can see the dominant colors from image and the hex codes of each colors. If you scroll up, you can see every color of component was changed with those extracted colors. And we have a switch to change the mode of color theme, and I can click to the light theme and the dark theme. I have another image and apply it, and the colors you can see, and you can see another bright theme and the dark theme. And last one, another cute image. And here's the dark mode and the light mode and dark mode. And you can see the navigation header. So there are three things I've learned during this project. The first one is improvement on JavaScript skills, especially DOM control. In this project, I try to use vanilla JavaScript and CSS without any libraries. So it takes much more times, but I can make my JavaScript skill more firm and strong. The second one is material design system and principle. Because I was not the major of design, I had to find out what is the material design in the color system. It was really good chance to how designers draw the scratch when they make new products beforehand, and what principles are applied in the material design and how. The third one is clustering algorithm. The extracting color from image was one of the main functions. I've tried a few methods to implement that, but the k-means clustering was the best fit for this. It took some time to implement on pure JavaScript, but it was really good practice. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press like button. Any feedback and comments are welcome.